Dear students, السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هذا الدرس هو بعنوان الشتاء. الشتاء. This lesson is under the title الشتاء. الشتاء means the winter time. This is a dialogue between two students, Mahir and Maryam. Mahir asking Maryam about the weather. In Arabic we say كيف الجو. كيف الجو means how is the weather. كيف الجو اليوم. Maryam, she answered, الجو بارد. هذا فصل الشتاء. So the weather is cold. This is winter time. ماهر, أنا ألبس ملابس صوفية. He said that he is wearing heavy or warm clothes. We need to practice the most important article here, which it is questioning tool كيف. كيف. كيف means how is or how are. كيف. How is the weather today. كيف الجو اليوم. The answer will be الجو بارد. We don't say بارد only. No, full answer, it should be long answer. الجو بارد اليوم. الجو بارد اليوم. هذا فصل الشتاء. Another issue in this lesson, we need to practice the pronoun أنا. أنا means I am. أنا I. أنا أكتب. أنا ألبس. أنا أتكلم. Here أنا ألبس means I put on or I dress. أنا ألبس heavy clothes. ملابس صوفية woolen means it made of wool. Down in the bottom of this screen you will see 4 slides or 4 pictures. The first one is under the title of الجو بارد. الجو بارد. The other picture, he is بردان means the weather is بارد. So he is هو بردان. Next picture is winter time. Winter time or the season of winter. Winter time فصل الشتاء. Winter time means فصل الشتاء. In Arabic فصل الشتاء. The last picture is ملابس صوفية. We need to practice those words. الجو بارد. أنا بردان. هذا فصل الشتاء. ملابس صوفية. Here we need to exchange the dialogue between the partner or with your brother or sister or with your mother or father. With anyone you need to practice this exercise as much as possible. We need to practice using كيف. كيف حالك, for example. كيف حالك means how are you. كيف. Here we need to practice the article كيف throughout the lesson of today. كيف, I would like to ask about the water now. Water means الماء. كيف الماء اليوم. كيف الماء اليوم. The answer is الماء بارد. الماء بارد. In the small box below this exercise you will see the word البحر. البحر. So now how to ask about the sea. This is the way how we will talk or will ask about the sea. How is the water, for example, of the sea today? We can say كيف البحر اليوم. How is the sea today? كيف البحر اليوم. The answer is البحر بارد or البحر دافئ. Next picture, it is the snow. الثلج. Snow means in Arabic ثلج. الثلج. ثلج. كيف الثلج اليوم. الثلج كثير. الثلج كثير. This is the answer. Now we need to practice those new statements which it is concerning the weather time or the seasons in fact in the year. For example, فصل الشتاء. When we talk about the winter time or the winter season, we say هذا فصل الشتاء. And when it comes to the springtime, we say فصل الربيع. فصل الربيع. And in the summertime, فصل الصيف. فصل الصيف. Next picture, it is the autumn time or the fall time, which it is in Arabic فصل الخريف. فصل الخريف. Next picture is fruit. فواكه. فواكه. Next picture is قميص. قميص. Dear students, hopefully inshallah you learned and you enjoyed this lesson, and I appreciate if you practice all this new vocabulary and reading also at the same time, and writing, practice writing, spelling. It is very important in this level of learning, and hopefully see you inshallah ta'ala in the classroom next week, and wishing you all the best. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. إلى اللقاء.